Hello friends, welcome to Finobo. In this video I shall talk about the reasons behind such a huge number of investments in Jio platform. Recently, Google became the 13th investor to bet big on Jio platforms by picking up 7.73% stake for Rs 33,737 crores. Also, the recent rights issue of Reliance Industries Limited was oversubscribed 1.6 times. The question that arises in our mind is, why are investors betting so big like anything? It is the time to answer this question. Let us start with some background first. There are about 100 crores of mobile users in India. However, only 43% of mobile users are connected to the internet. Of this 43%, only 10% use 3G or above. So, you see how much potential customers are there. Jio wants to gain these potential customers. Through these subscribers, Jio wants to create a digital society where it will deliver wide range of products and services like providing healthcare services online, helping farmers to increase their produce through use of modern technology, bringing kirana stores to digital world and many others. This digital society shall be powered by its own Jio network. This is seen as a game changer. Also, Jio ticks many points to become an investment-worthy platform. It has got 4 advantages that is helping it to attract so much investments. First is platform advantage, second is regulatory advantage, third is nearly debt-free capital, and fourth is history of proven execution of strategy. Let us discuss platform advantage first. Jio is different from other telecom operators. It uses optical fiber network which transfers data at the speed of light. It has the longest fiber optic network in the country, ranging over 2.5 lakh kilometers of fiber. Now, laying down that kind of fiber optics network is not a joke. It requires money. Reliance Jio invested 150,000 crores rupees into this fiber optic network. Obviously, if someone invests such a huge amount, he must also have a plan to recover all the cost with profit on the top. Since the launch of Jio in 2016, it has amassed nearly 38.7 crore subscribers to become the top carrier in the world's second largest internet market in less than 4 years of its existence. Jio platform have many services like recently introduced Jio Glass, Jio Mart, Jio Browser, Jio Chat, Jio Money, Jio Security, Jio Internet of Things, Jio GST Service Provider, Jio TV Plus, Jio Voice Assistant, Jio Ads and many others, which makes it a great platform. It has also already acquired a number of firms such as the music streaming company Saavn and education technology firm Imbibe, which raises hopes of the creation of a super app. For Indian shoppers who prefer to order online, it is planning to launch a grocery ordering service with Facebook's popular WhatsApp, which is in beta stage for now. For Bollywood fans who would prefer to avoid a crowded theatre, it is readying same-day release on the Jio platform. By providing Indian consumers access to everything from groceries and clothes to banking and home automation via an integrated system running through Jio, Ambani hopes to make Reliance an everything company. Jio is also planning to launch 5G services in India in the near future, which shall help it shape its services like connected cars, home and electronic appliances, or is technically speaking, Internet of Things, also virtual classrooms and autonomous driving vehicles and many others. Investors dream of a day when customers will talk, shop, bank, read, write, eat, watch and listen to digital content and book a holiday using a Jio app. The Qualcomm and Google investment will also help the company to make super budget 4G smartphones for those who are still using 2G. The aim is to put a 4G smartphone in the hands of those who are still using 2G phones, or as Mr. Ambani calls it, 2G Mukt Bharat. These platform and software capabilities, combined with Jio's vast telecom subscriber base and a network of physical retail outlets, may uniquely position Jio to dominate India's digital sphere, or at least what Jio's new investors would like to believe. Now, let us discuss regulatory advantage. Recently, India rejected Walmart-owned Flipkart's application to enter the food retail business. In the past, the matter of foreign ownership in the e-commerce business has been a regular bone of contention with the government. While there are similar concerns with Amazon's India operations, with Jio, these problems disappear because of its domestic identity. While this doesn't mean that Amazon's and Flipkart's investments in the country are write-offs, but it does certainly put Jio at an advantage as far as being on the right side of regulation goes. Also, the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of Prime Minister will give a boost to Jio platform as far as the topic of having regulatory advantage goes. Now, let us discuss nearly debt-free capital structure. The ambition to make Reliance Industries debt-free before March 2021 also helped to attract investors. In these unprecedented times, a very strong balance sheet which reduces cash outflow is what that may help company flourish and grow. The initial investments by Facebook and Silver Lake boosted confidence of other investors. It made an environment which enticed other investors as well to bet big on the Jio platform. Now, let us discuss history of proven execution of strategy. Mr. Ambani's ambition of creating a homegrown tech company took shape with the launch of Jio in 2016 with aggressively priced data plans. Suddenly, migrant construction workers were video chatting with their families, farmers were checking crop prices, and office workers were screening films during their commutes home on crammed metros. People started consuming data like never before. As of March 2020, it has subscriber base of over 38.7 crores, which is largest in the industry. Since its advent, the company never stopped and still continues to add many services like Jio Ads, Jio Heat, Jio IoT, Jio TV Plus and many other to its portfolio. While the success of the digital platform can be debated, the fact remains that investors seem convinced. In the best case scenario, the eventual listing of the company is expected to earn a lot against which investors are betting big. In a worst case scenario, investors may have only overpaid for the largest telco in one of the biggest markets by subscribers. This video ends here. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such upcoming informative videos. Because learning should never stop, why don't you click on the left or on the right and continue learning?